edit the exercise library, add your own exercise, modify loading schemes, create preset workout template, click Settings, open the Exercise Setting tab, and access the different options. The first tab includes all the search options that you can use to categorize and search for exercises. Category, equipment, level, period of the year. To add a new item, it's very easy. You click the little green cross, enter the text, and save. To open the list of all the exercises available in your system, click this tab, and then you'll be able to see all the exercises. That's the exercise library. You can search exercise by category, level, equipment, and so on by simply typing the name of the exercise or the appropriate option here. So if you, for example, if you want to retrieve all the squat exercise, simply type in squats, and with barbell, enter a comma and enter the second text here. Automatically the system will retrieve all the exercises that are matched. Adding exercise is very simple. Simply go at the bottom of the list, click the little plus, enter the exercise name, select the type of exercise. If it's an exercise that can be defined by set and repetition, such as a muscular strength exercise or resistance training exercise, you can select set and reps. Also, this set and reps option can be used if you want to track interval training sessions. For example, 4 times 200 meters. So you can use this and you'll be able to track set, reps, rest, and so on. If you are a gymnastic coach or a figure skating coach or any other coach, but you want to track technical exercises with the planned number of run through or the routines and then the difficulty for each one, select technical. If you want to provide a description of your circuit training to your client and then or your athlete, and then be able to track the number of repetition and the number of rests for each circuit, then select this option. And if you want to track any other kind of exercise, select the other. The set and reps and technical are the most detailed options. Then in this list, you select the unit that will be used to quantify the training volume. So for example, if you use a strength exercise, let's say a bench press, you can use the repetitions. The volume will be the number of repetitions. And intensity, the unit for intensity will be percentage of 1 RM, for example, or just repetition maximum. Or it could also be a subjective scale on a 1 to 10. It could be whatever you want, really. Then you select the search options, body area, category, equipment, level, period of the year. You can also enter additional information. If you have a video link stored somewhere, then you can also put the video link, and automatically the athlete will be able to see the exercise video right on their app. Also, you can upload a picture right there. And finally, you click submit. That's very easy. If you have an exercise and you want to modify its characteristics, simply select the exercise, click the little wheel, make all the change you need, and submit. To create programs, of course, you need exercises, but also you need loading schemes that you can use to predefine loading dynamic and use them based on your training goals. So on this tab here, little calendar, you can open the loading schemes. So those loading scheme, you can add as many as you need, and to do that, that's very simple. You click the little plus, you enter the loading scheme, so it's going to be, let's say, hypertrophy pre-season. For example, use only during select program type, so you select the type of exercise that will be mainly affected, so set and reps. Select a period. This will just simplify the search for loading schemes later on. And then you can start adding your dynamic for week 1 here. So let's say we'll be doing 12 sets at, so 70% of maximum, 2 minutes rest, tempo 1, for example. For example, you can add a new set. And then once you're happy with that, then you can add an additional week. Automatically, athlete monitoring will copy what you have created for the week before. And so you can just make the little changes here to set up your entire loading scheme for multi-week training programs. So once you're done, you save. Of course, you can add as many as you want, and that could be used for strength training, of course, but also for plyometric exercises or for interval training exercises. You just define the right parameter you want to use for the entire period of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, 12 weeks if you like, and then you save that. Now you are ready to create workout templates. Workout templates are basically mini programs that you can call quickly when creating your planning your sessions. So this is still in settings here, exercise settings, workout templates. For example, if I open this one, this is my workout template. That's the name of the template. That's the sport or the activity. So if I work with a group with multiple sports, they can select a specific sport. So this workout template will only be visible to the football teams. If I just work with one group, then you can select all the sport. Or if you want this template to be accessible to everyone in your organization, then you can just select all the sports. If you select a specific sport, you can also select the activity. This will just make the planning process a little bit quicker. But you can also predefine those elements. You define the duration of the workout, the difficulty or the planned difficulty of the workout. You can also over there enter the warm-up. Once you have your warm-up incorporated, then you can just create your exercises or enter your exercises. So if it's the first exercise, then you can just click on it. Automatically, the exercise will go at the bottom of the list or will be in your program. If you have if you already have one exercise, then you can just click on this and then drag and drop right below. And you can also reorder exercise by drag and dropping the block. Now, over there, we have our program. So we decide to put the 400-meter run in this exercise. So that's too much. So that's going to be some cardio, basically, or area. What we have here, we have incorporated our exercise. Now, to apply a loading scheme, that's very simple. To this exercise, I select the loading scheme here, and I select my loading scheme. Automatically, everything will be there. So if I create a new exercise, so I just add a new exercise. Let's say I'm going to be adding a jump exercise, a jump squat. Put the jump squat here, and then I select the loading scheme, plyometrics. Automatically, the loading scheme I have planned before for plyometrics will be there. So of course, I can modify it as much as I need, fine tune it, and save the form. If you want to create a new one, it's very simple. You go at the bottom of the list, you click the little plus, you enter the name, new, all sports. It's going to be, let's say, an hour, somewhat hard. And then I can also use a preset workout that I created before. So let's say I'm using this one. I click on it. Automatically, everything I've planned for the multi-week and everything is there. So I can still do some changes, fine tune it, apply another loading scheme if I want. That's easy. When I'm happy, I save the form. Now we are ready to use our exercise, loading scheme and workout template to plan our sessions.